Good morning. Let me tell you the story of the fisherman and the little fish. A poor fisherman who lived on the fish he caught had bad luck one day and caught nothing but a very small fry. The fisherman was about to put it in his basket when the little fish said, "Please spare me, Mr. Fisherman. I am so small it is not worthwhile to carry me back home. When I am bigger, I shall make you a much better meal." But the fisherman quickly put the little fish in his basket. "How foolish should I be to throw you back?" he said. "However small you may be, you're better than nothing at all." The moral lesson of this story from Aesop Fables: a small gain is worth more than a large promise. Thank you very much. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.